Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use array in C++. Array is a collection of elements of the same type, and they are continuously located in memory. Array size declaration must be a constant. You can use a number or you can use a constant for that. Default initialization give value 0 to all the elements. Value and size can also be provided during initialization using this syntax. An element can be accessed through index. Index start from 0 and end at the array size -1. For loop is normally used along with array for accessing many array elements. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.